Hello and welcome to the ASISTENCIA in Redlands, California. Today's episode documents the recent open house held to showcase this historic site to the community. For creating the stills, I used the Hasselblad X2D and 55mm f2.5 lens. I chose 55mm because I had hoped to photograph more people than usual, but the shyness is strong with this one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
The ASISTENCIA is now open every Sunday afternoon from 12 to 4. The rooms will be open to view the chapel, the vestry, the refectory, the Barton room, and you are welcome to come enjoy a family picnic every Sunday.
This Windows on Windows. Oh no. You don't want me in there. Definitely coming back here for a Windows episode.
Of course. It's our last year doing it, so.
You want to check out a menu?
Oh, no, I want a picture of that pizza. Thank you. Get a photo of you with this delicious.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Thank you. I'm gonna grab a photo of you guys sitting here while you're chatting.
Pretend like you're talking to me.
There you go. Thank you. Can I get a photo of you guys when he hands it to you? Thank you. Thank you. There we go. Big smile. Thank you.
I'm not a big smiley kind of guy.
Okay,
I'm more
cool.
of a mean guy.
Do you want a pop star?
All right, see you later.
Hard to believe, man.
Ice cream.
Can you put it back in the shade? There we go.
I feel like
Oh wait, is this for me? No, it's for your picture. Sorry.
Thank you. I'm gonna take a picture of you taking a. Oh. Buy Escape Craft beer. Thank you. Trying to find a quiet place to say my goodbyes. There's road noise, there's music, there's generators, there's people, there's everything going on. A big event here, a big turnout, and remember you can come every Sunday from 1 to 4, I think she said. The Hasselblad did great. I do kind of wish I had brought the 35 because there was a lot of indoor opportunities that I feel like I missed out on. But the 55 did a great job as the street photography lens that I was hoping for. If there are any photos that didn't have video to go along with it, I will put them here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe, and I'll see you next time.